Hello guys, and welcome to a new video. Today, as you might saw, I traded my 3060 for this 3070. Paid a bit above, obviously. Now I will install it and let's see how this thing can mine. As always, whoop, something went wrong. No, just joking. I decided to put her first in my test rig to see how much overclock I can give her. So we see us in a few seconds. Yeah, it looks good to me. Card is running. As you can see, fans are spinning. I love my little test bench, man. Okay guys, the 3070 is hashing and I would say just look at this. This is amazing. This is amazing. And you also have to consider that this card is also giving out the picture that you can see here. So it's like minus 0.5 mega hash and 120 watts only. That are my overclocks that I'm using, plus 1800 on the MEM and 1065 for the core. As you can see, I'm doing my standard flat curve that I'm always using and turning up the power limit, temperature limit, I don't care. I mean, as you can see, the card is doing it with 120 watts, no need to turn the power limit down. Wouldn't also bring something. Yeah, this card seems to be a really nice hasher. I'm going to install it in my system, my main system, and then yeah, we will see how it hashes there. And here we go. Device manager says all cards are there. I will set up now my batch file and then I will start. And then we will see how this works out. And yeah, let's see. Yeah guys, we are up and running. You can see the card is running now at 63.8 mega hashes with 117 watts. Sadly, my PSU is bad on my main rig, the currently one at least. I will change this, of course. You can see the card is now running at 1500 and it's on the same position like my other card was. In the next few days I will change my PSU, assuming like on Monday, and then this card should again do 1800 on the MEM. But till there I have to stay at 1500, which is okay. I mean, nearly 64 mega hash is not a bad value. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video and how I was testing and installing the 3070. I would appreciate if you liked the video and leave down a comment if you want. And if you want to support me, just hit that subscribe button and I would say see you in the next video.